Hello to main concern. My name is Jason Matthews and this is the third fan unit I have had with your company. What follows is a bench test. I put the previous two and installed them on the ceiling. What is going to happen is I will show you the lamp, which is working perfectly, and now I will show you the fan motor. This has happened to the previous two units. This is the third unit I've had off of your company, and this is what will happen. I will press the fan on with the control. It's going to speed up on setting 1. That happens every time. So this is the third unit that's faulty. Please tell me what is wrong with them.
Computer, schaltest du bitte die Deckenleuchte ein?
Okay.
Computer, kannst du bitte die Deckenleuchte auf 10% dimmen?
Okay.
Computer, schaltest du bitte die Deckenleuchte aus?
Okay.
Computer, schaltest du bitte den Ventilator ein?
Okay.
Computer, schaltest du bitte den Ventilator wieder aus?
Okay.